In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll start from a simple Google search and finish by adding a code block inside Webflow so you can confidently embed custom HTML on your page. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. Look for the official result with the webflow.com domain and click it. This ensures you're going straight to the platform rather than a third-party page. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly indicates the official Webflow site. Once you're in Webflow, go to your project dashboard and locate the site you want to work on. Click View Site. This opens the current version of your site in a new tab, which is handy for quick checks while you're making changes. Keep this tab open so you can easily compare the before and after experience as you work in the designer. Now, in the designer interface for your project, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the Add Elements icon, the plus sign. This opens the panel where you'll find layout items, typography, media, and more. If your panel is collapsed, just click once to expand it. Keeping this panel open while you work makes it easier to place elements exactly where you want them in the hierarchy. At the top of the Add panel, use the search field and type Code Block. Depending on your interface, this may also appear as an HTML embed element. The search helps you jump straight to the right component without scrolling through the entire library. Click the code block element to select it. Then place it on your canvas where the custom code should live, inside a section, container, or a specific div, depending on your layout. After placing it, an editor window appears. This is where you can add your custom HTML and, when appropriate, small inline styles or scripts. Keep your snippet clean and minimal, and ensure it doesn't conflict with existing page scripts. Some third-party snippets require additional setup, so always follow the provider's instructions and note whether anything needs to go in the head or at the end of the body. Remember that certain scripts may not run inside the designer preview and will only execute on the published site. When you're satisfied, save and close the editor. And that's the process. Search for Webflow, view your site, open the Add panel, type Code Block, and click it to embed custom HTML where you need it. With these steps, you can extend your Webflow pages with tailored functionality while keeping your workflow clear and efficient.